In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts in Salesforce. This is a crucial skill to ensure your contact lists are up to date and free of any incorrect or unnecessary entries, allowing for more focused and effective marketing efforts. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, so even if you're new to Salesforce, you'll be able to follow along with ease. Let's start by logging into your Salesforce Lightning account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready, as this will be your gateway to accessing all of the Salesforce tools, including your contacts. Once you're successfully logged in, focus your attention on the left panel of your screen and click on Contacts. This section houses all the contacts that you've accumulated in your Salesforce Marketing Cloud, and it's where we'll be managing your contact list today. Once you're in the Contacts section, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed. Use this search bar to type in the name or any details of the contact you wish to delete. Thanks to Salesforce's robust search functionality, locating your contact should be a breeze, even if you only input partial information. It's important to take your time during this step to ensure you're targeting the correct contact. Next, hover your mouse over the contact you intend to delete. You'll observe that hovering over a contact brings up additional options, offering quick actions you can take without needing to dig deeper into the contact's profile. This feature provides you with a level of control and helps you manage your contacts more efficiently. Now, look towards the right-hand side of the contact listing, where a drop-down arrow is available. Clicking on this arrow reveals a menu of actions you can perform on each contact. Among these options is the one we're interested in: Delete. Go ahead and select the Delete option. At this point, it's natural to feel a bit cautious because deleting a contact is irreversible, and we want to make sure there's no room for error. Recognizing this, Salesforce prompts you one last time to confirm your decision once you select Delete. To finalize the process, click Delete again to confirm that you indeed wish to remove the contact from your list. This confirmation step acts as your last opportunity to evaluate your decision. Once you click Delete, the contact will be permanently removed from your Salesforce Marketing Cloud. And that wraps up our process for deleting contacts in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. By regularly cleaning up your contact list using this method, you help maintain the integrity and efficiency of your marketing efforts. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore more of our tutorials for other useful tips and tricks on optimizing your use of Salesforce.